children, welcome back to our channel Apne School. Dear children, today we are going to learn 4-letter words. Let's start.
अगर आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और हाँ, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको बर वक्त मिलती रहे।
ABLE able, ACID acid, AREA area, ARMY army, BALL ball, BABY baby, BANK bank, BACK bat, CALL call, CAST cast, COCK cock, COAT coat, DARK dark, DAWN dawn, DESK desk, DUCK duck, EASY easy, EVEN even, EXIT exit, EVER ever, FAST fast, FISH fish, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, GATE gate, GAME game, GROW grow, GOAT goat, HALL hall, HAVE have, HEAD head, HOLD hold, INCH inch, IRON iron, ITEM item, INTO into, JOIN join, JUST just, JUMP jump, JACK jet, KEEP keep, KITE kite, KILL kill, KIND kind, LAMP lamp, LION loin, LIST list, LOVE love, MALL mall, MAKE make, MANY many, MASK mask, NINE nine, NOSE nose, NICE nice, NOTE note, ORAL oral, ONCE once, ONLY only, OPEN open, PAST pass, PASS pass, PART path, PLAN plan, QUAY key, QUIZ quiz, QUIT quit, QATS cats, RISE rise, RICE rice, ROSE rose, RICH reach, SAME same, SEND send, SELL sell, SHIP ship, TALL tall, TAKE take, TALK talk, TELL tell, UNIT unit, USER user, UGLY ugly, UPON upon, VAST vast, VERY very, VIEW view, VOTE vote, WALL wall, WANT want, WARM war, WILL will, XRAY X-ray, XATS Zs, XIAN Shan, XYST Zist, YAWN yawn, YARD yard, YEAR year, YOUR your, ZERO zero, ZONE zone, ZANY zany, ZEAL zeal. Okay student, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.